Hi there, it's Krystal Lee Moore here, also known as your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore, and I'm here to talk to you about winter maintenance. So in Canada, we know it's coming. There's really nothing we can do about it, so we might as well prepare for it. You know what I'm talking about, winter. So it it is different in different provinces, but here in London, Ontario, winter comes on slow. It's a little cold, but when it gets here, we want to be ready. So, how can we be ready? Change your furnace filters. So, firstly, I have a very big recommendation, and that is to get maintenance on your furnace and your air conditioner. I recently had Peter Inch and Associates in, and they maintained our furnace and our fireplace, our gas fireplace. So I didn't realize how let's say negligent we had been with our fireplace, and they did an amazing job. So having your furnace maintained on an annual basis actually extends its life, which saves you money in the long run. So definitely recommend getting your HVAC professional. I recommend the Peter Inch guys because they were amazing, but get your HVAC professional in there for maintenance, but also make sure you're changing those furnace filters, because not to be super gross, but think about like hair and skin and dust and everything that gets into those filters. And it's even worse if you have pets, or if by chance you live in like, maybe you're more in the city, so there's a lot more maybe fume going on in the air. Change those filters, your lungs will appreciate it. And change your smoke detector batteries. So we all really want to hope that smoke detectors are just going to be annoying, because that's kind of their role for the most part. But those bad boys can save your life. So make sure that they're able to do so when and if it ever comes time. So change those batteries, make sure that they're fresh, and it's good to just get onto a schedule. So if you know that you're doing it every December, let's say, then you know that it's going to happen, because batteries should last more than a year. You can also check them in the spring if you want to be like super, super diligent, but definitely once a year. Keep your dryer and furnace vents clear from snow. So it's really, there's a debate, but just make sure that you're not covering things up. Sometimes people say, oh, I'll put plastic on it. I have it on good authority that you should not do that. However, what you can do is just make sure that if there is snow kind of blocking them, then you just get it away, especially in a climate like ours where it can get really cold, really hot, really cold, really hot. You don't want a bunch of ice building up. So then watch for roof icicles. It could indicate a poorly insulated attic. So first of all, if you see icicles, yes, they're pretty, but also they can be dangerous. They can actually literally fall and kill you, which is aggressive, but they can also hurt you and just damage you. So if you see icicles, number one, safely get rid of them, but then definitely make sure that you have someone go and check on the insulation in your attic, get your roof checked out, make sure that everything is flowing the way it should be, because it is important that you take care of your house and the roof on your house. Have your sidewalk salted. So make sure you get that sidewalk salt. As far as I know, you can get in some pretty hefty trouble if people are slipping on your laneway. And again, in a climate where it's cold and then it's not, and then it's cold and then it's not, ice can build up. So having that salt ready is really good. We have a little kind of bucket, if you will, in front of the garage, and you just throw it on the driveway and on the walkway when it's needed. So definitely a good investment. And that is it for now. So there are tons of other things you can do to help get your house ready for the winter, but these are our top tips. If you have any questions about the real estate market, I would love to chat with you. I always have time to chat with you or your friends or your family about buying real estate, selling real estate, and just in general, the market and what's going on. I'm here to help. My name is Krystal Lee Moore, also known as your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore. Talk to you soon.